In March 2024, a 19-year-old named Arjun Sharma from Pune, sitting in a 300 square foot PG room, eating 40 rupee Maggi for dinner, made 10 lakhs rupees in exactly 30 days. No investors. No rich parents. No degree. Just a laptop, a 499 rupees ChatGPT subscription, and one idea that 99% of Indians are completely sleeping on right now. Arjun was a second-year engineering dropout from a Tier 3 college in Pune. His parents earned 22,000 rupees a month combined. He had 3,200 rupees in his bank account in February 2024. He had failed 2 internship interviews and was told by a professor, and this is real, that he was not cut out for the tech industry. That rejection became his rocket fuel. On 28 February, Arjun discovered that global brands were paying between 8,000 rupee to 80,000 rupee per project for AI-generated content, product descriptions, ad copy, social media scripts, and AI images. The global AI services market hit $136 billion in 2023. And Indian freelancers were capturing less than 2% of it. He saw the gap. He decided to fill it immediately. He spent 72 hours learning ChatGPT prompt engineering and Midjourney for free on YouTube. Then he created a Fiverr profile on 1st March at 2 a.m. He priced his first AI content gig at just 999 rupees, deliberately underpriced. By 5th March, he had 11 orders. His first week total? 47,500 rupees. He reinvested every rupee back into better tools and a faster internet plan. Week 2 is where things exploded. One client, a Dubai-based e-commerce brand, ordered 1,20,000 rupee worth of product descriptions after seeing Arjun's portfolio. Using ChatGPT 4 and a custom prompt framework he built himself, he delivered 400 product listings in 6 days. Total week 2 earnings, 2,85,000 rupees. He was now making more in a week than his father made in an entire year. But on 19th March, disaster struck. A client from the UK disputed a 95,000 rupee order claiming the AI content triggered plagiarism software. Fiverr froze 1,80,000 rupees of his earnings overnight. Arjun had a full anxiety attack. For 48 hours he didn't sleep. Then he rebuilt every deliverable using a combination of 3 AI tools plus manual editing, and won the dispute. Crisis became credibility. By 31st March, exactly 30 days after starting, Arjun's total verified earnings were 10,14,500 rupees. Breakdown: 60% from AI copywriting, 25% from Midjourney brand visuals, 15% from ChatGPT business automation consulting. He was charging 15,000 rupee per hour for consulting calls by week 4, the same kid who was rejected from a 15,000 rupee per month internship just 45 days earlier. Let that land. Here is the bigger truth nobody tells you. India has 65% of its population under 35. We have the second largest English-speaking workforce on the planet. AI tools just gave every single Indian with a laptop a weapon that multinationals are desperately paying for. The World Economic Forum says 85 million jobs will be disrupted by AI, but 97 million new roles will be created. You are early. This is 2009 YouTube. Get in now. Arjun's first step was one Fiverr profile and one 499 rupee subscription. That is all. You do not need a degree. You do not need 10 lakh rupees to make 10 lakh rupees. You need 72 hours of focused learning and the courage to send your first proposal. We have linked Arjun's exact tool stack and prompt framework in the description, completely free. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every week.